Hi guys, it's me niece and
Hey.
cousin Eri, and we are about to sing a Samoan medley for you guys. And I just want to do a special dedication to the Manusina team.
Yeah, the Manus.
And to our cousin Paul Whangamalu, which happens to be Lafo's brother.
My brother.
And just want to say thank you for doing my makeup and hair, especially Lafo's makeup and hair because he needs
Yeah.
it. And,
My makeup.
yeah, hope you guys enjoy it though. The medley, I mean, sorry.
No, my makeup. Enjoy my makeup. Nah. Ready? Ready?
Le malie I vai si ufo dia fa alongo ai ola wa mi o ole anga vai so solo I vi o ile fai ai la upele wa e pole vale ua e tu ile upole vale ua ele ono sa ima e fa so to vita my lelani. See you guys.
Bye.